Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up balance alerts in Bright. You want to know the moment your account balance drops too low or hits your saving target? Well, here's how to set custom balance alerts in Bright. First, open the Bright app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Go to Settings, tap on Notifications, select Balance Alerts. You're going to see two options. First is Low Balance Alerts and the second is High Balance Alerts. Tap low balance alerts and set the minimum amount that you want to be notified about. For example, if your balance falls below $5,000 or $50. Then tap high balance alert to set a goal amount that you would like to be notified when your balance reaches it. Toggle both options on and hit save. Now, Bright will notify you instantly when your balance crosses those limits, helping you to stay in control without checking your account constantly. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bright guides that keep you financially sharp.